कॉल?
सब रिकॉर्ड कर लो।
चलो ठीक है।
मेरा रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, रिकॉर्डिंग 1 2 3 4। बाय द वे, हाउ इज माय न्यू कॉल सेंटर माइक?
वेरी गुड।
Good.
इसका बेस्ट पार्ट पता है क्या है?
हर माइक जिसमें ऐसा होता है उसमें ऐसा होता है जी. But
तो
okay, yes.
बात क्या
Anshika,
है?
let's go.
अंशिका
चलो।
नहीं, चलो हाँ लेट्स गो।
Hi everybody, welcome back to episode 6 of the Adulting Podcast. We made it pretty far than we expected to. And today हमारे पास रिया है जो हमारी guest speaker है, which is the latest term we found this morning. Ria, our friend and guest speaker, has a few questions about the idea of why we say that C4E is a business of people. And
Yeah.
Ria, I'll ask you to ask these questions and हम बातें कर सकते हैं. Let's go.
Great. Awesome. Right. So I read one of his blogs where he wrote that we are in business of people, and we would like to continue in the same way. So that sentence, I was curious to know more about it. That why does he say that we are in people business, and what does he mean when he say we are in people business, and what are the challenges, opportunities people face who are in business people, and how it is different from other companies or organizations which are less people centric, or which don't outrightly say that we are into business of people business. So Saurabh, if you can start with, what do you mean when you say we are in business of people, or like people business?
Okay, so for context, it is 6 8 a.m. on a Tuesday morning, and I had a long flight yesterday, and a lot of brain fog has happened. So if I'm slow, please excuse me. With that as a background, um, I'll not limit my questions, my answers to, see, I'm fumbling. That's okay. You can keep it on the internet. So I can keep. What I'll do is I'll not put my answers from C4E lens, but I'll put my answers from adulting lens. Like for example, if there is a young person who's listening to this, somebody who's 24, 25, 22, one of those ages, and who wants to do well in life, uh, if I were to give them a mantra, a structure, a, a thesis of philosophy, I would tell them that they should build themselves into being uh, in the people business. And I'll come to that, what that is. So the answer that I will mention here will be very, very broad based. It will not just be for C4E or for Saurabh or for anybody else, but for everybody that listens to the podcast, especially if you're young. Side note, I quite like the train going from the background. I don't know if you notice, it's a very, very interesting visual to have the train go from background. Also, when I was thinking about this podcast, you will probably see the sky turn from black to white, hopefully in the next 20-30 minutes, if we last that long. और यार, that's how we record all our podcasts. हम सिर्फ बकवास करते हैं और ऐसा कोई ज्ञान नहीं निकलता है, हम सिर्फ ऐसे टाइम पास करते रहते हैं. Coming back, what is people? So okay, the fact that I have two people apart from Saurabh who are willing to be up at 6. मुंह धो के तो आए होंगे, नहा के नहीं आए तो मुंह धो के तो आए होंगे. मैं तो मुंह धो के आया हूँ, सिर्फ मैं ब्रश करके मुंह धो के आया हूँ. I don't know about the two of you, but if I've been able to find couple of people who are willing to wake up at 6, especially in your age groups. Anshika is 21, 22. Ria is, I think, 21, 22, same ages, right? Each time I say right, Ria will put a strike. Okay, on the edits, we could have a right flag, right counter on, like make a logo of right and then right meter. Oh, right meter. Call it the right meter. ठीक है. तो coming back. Oh, ठीक है is also right, by the way. Right and ठीक है are the same zone. So okay, coming back. So if I've been able to get two young people to sacrifice their sleep, get ready, and be here at a recording at 6 a.m. On not so cold morning in Delhi, but little nip in the air in, say, Jaipur, uh, I must have done something to attract those people. And those people, the ones who are here, Ria and Anshika, they must have felt something interesting happening here. That's why they're here. Now, something interesting and interesting could be for Ria, could be to get to find answer to a question that she was keen on answering, keen on finding. For Anshika, it could be a passion project that she started called the Adulting Podcast. For me, I have different reasons. तो मेरा ना एक बहुत सिंपल थियोरी है, सेगमेंट मेरा एक बहुत सिंपल थ्योरी है, थ्योरी नहीं है, 3 वर्ड्स है, मैंने पता नहीं कहाँ पढ़े, बट मैंने आई थिंक वो टैटू करा लूंगा मैं कभी किसी डेट पे. इट इज पीपल क्रिएट मैजिक. एंड इन 3 शब्दों में ना मेरी पूरी जिंदगी का फिलोसफी स्टक है. पीपल इज यू एंड मी एंड एवरीबडी एल्स वाचिंग दिस एंड हु कुड पोटेंशियली वॉच दिस. क्रिएट इज माई बिगेस्ट लेसन इन लाइफ, दैट अगर जीवन में कुछ भी कर रहे हो, अगर तुम क्रिएट कर रहे हो, क्रिएशन कुड इवन बी अ ईमेल दैट यू सेंड आउट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ योर बॉस, or an email that you send on day-to-day basis, or you could create content or films or whatever you want to call it. The guy who created the building behind me, or the guy who created that art behind me. So creation could be whatever. And magic is I believe this entire world that we live in is super magical. मतलब आज से हजारों लाखों साल पहले जब वो केव मैन के विमेन होते होंगे, उनको आज हम यहाँ टेलीपोर्ट कर दें तो उनको समझ नहीं आएगा कि ये कहाँ पर आ गया. फॉर देम इट विल बी लाइक अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड altogether. It's like we getting teleported into the world of, say, Jetsons or Flintstones or one of those people. We'll be amazed and marveled कि यार ये दिख तो मेरे जैसे रहे लोग, उनके 2 आंख, 2 नाक, 2 कान, एक मुंह, etc है, and yet they seem to be on a different trajectory altogether. So whatever you've done is magic. The fact that Anshika, Riya and Saurabh are in 3 different locations and yet seamlessly talking to each other about something super interesting, with super rich background, with the most comfortable t-shirt, and पता नहीं क्या क्या हम बातें कर रहे हैं. Like my new headphones, I love them. यहाँ पे लाइट आती है, ये ऑन है. Like that's so cool. Anybody, if I don't want people to disturb me, I will say देखो लाइट आ रही है, चुप चुप तो काम कर रहा हूँ मैं. Anyways, point is, so it is magic, no? So I'm saying ये magic है ना, ये magic ना अपने आप क्रिएट नहीं होता. अपने आप मैजिक क्रिएट होता ना तो वो तो फिर नेचुरल हो जाता है कि मतलब भगवान पता नहीं है कि नहीं है, नेचर ने अपने आप माउंटेन्स बनाए, सनसेट बनाए, सनराइजेस बनाए, समुंदर बनाया, all of that. So that is natural and we marvel at that. But what makes a sunrise at a New York, at a Marine Drive, at a Warsaw Beach magical is not just the sunset, it's not just the beach, but the ability of people to stand on top of a bollard and top of a structure and look at buildings at afar. So buildings have been created by us humans, and that magic has happened only because people could come together and collaborate. Now, often in the past, in the history, what has happened is that most of these large things were the outcome of the कीड़ा of one individual. किसी एक इंसान ने बोला कि मैं उड़ूंगा, and then that इंसान could rally his brother, his family, his neighbors, his supporters into building an aircraft. किसी एक इंसान ने बोला कि मैं दुनिया कॉन्कर करूंगा, तो चंगेज खान ने कुछ 24,000 करोड़ पता नहीं कितना % ऑफ द अर्थ कॉन्कर कर लिया, बिकॉज उसका कीड़ा था. किसी को लगा हमें ताजमहल बनाना है. नाउ ताजमहल केम out of the zid of that one individual, and back in the day they could 100% impose their whims onto other people. उसने जिसने ताजमहल बनाया है, forget the name, शाहजहां जो भी नाम था उसका, मुमताज, whatever that name was, उसने इम्पोज किया होगा, अपने सैनिकों को बोला होगा बेटा जिसने ताजमहल नहीं बनाया ना उसको तुम उसकी खाल खींच दो. तुम जो लेबर होगी उसको बोला होगा बेटा तुमने अगर ईट पत्थर नहीं ढोए तो तुम्हारी मैं पैंट उतार दूंगा. मतलब he would have imposed, and he would have probably used what Chanakya says, साम दाम दंड भेद, into making it happen. So समझाया होगा, पैसे दिए होंगे, whatever, right. तो वो किया होगा. Now here is the magical part. आज की दुनिया में we have come to a point wherein there are very few of such large imposing people left, and more than that, the world that has come up, each of us has the agency and has the ability to do whatever we want to and yet not die hungry. So for example, if I were the Shah Jahan today and I had to get Taj Mahal made, obviously there are enough and more people that I would have hired and said कि बेटा तुम बनाओ, नहीं तो चाबुक मारूंगा तुम्हें मैं. But imagine if I wanted Anshika to design the Taj Mahal का design, and if I coerce Anshika and I said Anshika तेरे को मैं चाबुक मारूंगा तो डिजाइन नहीं बनाएगी, तो अंशिका बोलेगी फक ऑफ, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. एंड अंशिका से मैं जाके अपने स्टिकर बना लूंगी, एंड आई डोंट केयर अबाउट योर ताजमहल, मेरे को अपनी जिंदगी जीनी है स्टिकर वाली, मैं अच्छी स्टिकर बना लूंगी और इतने पैसे मैं कमा लूंगी कि मेरे को दाल रोटी की समस्या ना हो. So that is Anshika's lens. Think of a Riya Sirani here. Riya works with an agency right now. Imagine if that agency boss forced Riya to do something that she didn't want to. Riya के लिए ना इतना आसान है उसको बोलना कि ब्रो फक ऑफ, मैं अपने वीओ कर लूंगी, मैं अपनी दाल रोटी कमा लूंगी, इफ नथिंग एल्स मैं कुछ लिख लूंगी, और इफ नथिंग एल्स साड़ी बेच लूंगी, इफ नथिंग एल्स मैं कहीं से अपने मेरे को जो जिंदा रहने के लिए पैसे चाहिए हो तो मैं कमाई लूंगी. दैट्स व्हाट रिया वुड टेल दैट पर्सन. सो आज की दुनिया में जितने मर्जी ये बड़े लोग रहे, but there are also individuals who started to go against these larger ones, and they are the ones who probably are making what do you call it, are doing whatever they want to. Now think of a Saurabh, think of a C4E, think of a Spillpot, think of a Shebang for that matter, think of any large business for that matter. Now to do great things, they need two kinds of people. They can get two kinds of people. Option one, they can force people, they can coerce people, give them they can give people stupid rewards to get them. उनको ना लालच देके आप अपने साथ रख सकते हो, बट वो ट्रांजैक्शन है. वो जो इंसान काम करेगा ना, नौकरी की तरह करेगा. मतलब इमेजिन रिया, बिकॉज यू आर अ राइचियस वुमन हुज बीन गिवन वर्क, इफ योर बॉस सेड कि रोज सुबह 6 बजे उठ के पॉडकास्ट करो, तू अपनी नौकरी के लिए शायद कर देती, तू अपने काम के लिए कर देती, बट तू सोचती कि अरे यार फक यार, क्यों उठना है मेरे को, मैं नहीं सोऊंगी. इनफैक्ट मैं उल्टा बोलता हूँ रिया, आई डोंट वांट टू पुट यू ऑन स्पॉट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यू हैव अ जॉब टू कीप टिल यू बिकम व्हाटएवर, एंड तेरा बॉस सुन लेगा तो क्या बोलेगी तू मेरे को. बट इमेजिन अंशिका, आई कैन टॉक अबाउट अंशिका. इफ आई टोल्ड अंशिका एज अ नौकरी, इनफैक्ट अंशिका ने किया था राइट, अंशिका को किसी बॉस ने उसको बोला, अंशिका डू यू टॉक अबाउट दैट स्टोरी क्विकली ऑन द पॉडकास्ट व्हेन यू वर फोर्स्ड टू डू समथिंग at 11 in the night and what happened from there on?
Yeah, so I was told to file. This is the biggest trauma I think I have from my tiny corporate experience, which is that I was told to file visiting cards. Like, take stacks of visiting cards, look at what's written on them, and put them on an Excel. And back then, there was no AI tool or whatever that could do it. And they didn't want me to use, and oh my God, I can say back then there was no AI. So that's very cool. And they didn't want me to use any of those machines or apps. They're like, तुम देखो उस पे और file करो. And these were 400 cards every single day. And the lady who gave me these would count at the end of the day, तूने कितना भरा है. Someday I did just 350 kind of number and I left for home because I have done enough. I will go home, I will come back, I'll do 50. She calls me and she's like, bro, तूने सारे cards नहीं भरे, please वापस आओ और cards भरो. I'm like, मैं जा चुकी हूँ. She's like, no, come back. I said, no. And it didn't make sense. How can you expect me to come back after I've closed my work for the day? I will do it tomorrow. I'm not saying I'll not do it. I have done for the day. मैं नहीं कर रही. And she's like, then you can take some cards with you if you want to go home and do it there. And I said, no. And that was, say, the end of my corporate experience.
So
Yeah,
there,
Yeah.
finished it. I
so
didn't give up. I finished the entire thing. And then I was like, अब करके मैं जा रही हूँ. मेरा हो गया.
insane, right? So Anshika finished the entire thing because of her righteousness ki mere ko karna hai, her dutifulness ki mere ko karna hai. But it has become, like she mentioned, a trauma in her life. Trauma is a strong word. I don't know if trauma hai ki nahi hai. एक we should do therapy session with you and understand the trauma. But the fact is, it's a incident that we are laughing at today. But imagine जब ये हो रहा होगा, एक तो वो लड़की की हिम्मत नहीं, ऑडेसिटी देखो, वो बोल रही है कि तू घर चली गई, कोई बात नहीं, वापस आजा कर दे. I don't know how that happens, and if she does that, Anshika will never ever respect that human being again. And B, अंशिका की एजेंसी या सेल्फ विल या जो मर्जी कि उसने बोला कि नहीं यार ब्रो, मैं तो निकल चुकी हूँ एंड आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल एनफ टू नो कि कल करना है, मैं कर दूंगी, बट आज का हो गया. मतलब आई एम नॉट अ रोबोट दैट आई विल डू एक्स नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स एवरी डे. सो द वर्ल्ड दैट वी आर इवॉल्विंग इनटू विल हैव दीज केसेस, and if I want to have a great resource like Anshika or a Riya, I cannot force them to do things the way I want them to. I will have to inspire them. I will have to get them to I'll have to get them to listen to what I have to say. I have to get them to buy into my philosophy. You know, one of the things that I quote often is that it's from Netflix or Amazon. I forget where it is from. It says if you have to inspire people, something on the lines. It says show them the vastness of the sea, uh, uh, and inspire them to yearn for it. So if that lady had shown Anshika the rationale, the reason of doing that, and connected that to a larger objective, probably Anshika would have said, "हाँ यार, interesting है, मैं करती हूँ, and I'll come back." But maybe not. So coming back, अभी क्या है ना, जिस दुनिया में हम आ गए हैं, thanks to AI, thanks to individuality, thanks to open access in terms of work and opportunities and all of that, to get the right people to create magic with you, will require you to ensure that those people are willing to go the extra mile for you. And often the extra mile, people don't go to extra mile because they will get rewarded or they will get paid for their time. वो तो आजकल हाइजीन हो गया है. If Ria does a voice over, she will have a rate card कि एक voice over का मैं ₹5 लेती हूँ, ₹5,000 लेती हूँ, 5 लाख लेती हूँ, जो भी रेट कार्ड है वो तो रिया को मिलेगा ही. बट इफ आई वांट टू पुल अ फेवर फ्रॉम रिया, आई शुड बी एबल टू से रिया तेरे को तेरे पैसे मिलेंगे, बट क्या तू मेरे लिए ये वॉइस ओवर ऑफिस जाने से पहले कर सकती है? If I have made a relationship with Ria in that strong a sense, she would probably make an exception for me to do that recording before she goes to office. Obviously, money she will get. So if I hadn't made that relationship, it was only a transaction. Ria would say, अच्छा ठीक है, मैं voice over करूंगी, आपको डिस्काउंट दे देती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा ऑफिस है 8 बजे तक, फिर मेरे को कहीं जाना है, फिर मेरे को कुछ और करना है, मैं आपका 3 दिन बाद करूंगी. तो what happens is that the act of creation of magic gets delayed by 3 days because you were not in the people business. You were a great agency. You paid Ria on time. You treated her with respect. You ensured that she got what she wanted, and yet you didn't go out of your way to make a people connection. And if you had made a people connection, Ria would have probably made an exception to do your work. And this you can extrapolate into multiple manners. I'll give an example of a collaborator at C4E, a lady called Pavitra. Uh, uh, I met Pavitra about a year ago, and she had come to me for some help, some WhatsApp group. She saw my message. I'd said that कुछ तो मैंने बोला था. Pavitra DM'd me and said मुझे आपसे help चाहिए. मैंने कहा हाँ आजा, help ही तो है, क्या करना है. So she came to me for help. She showed me some of the work she done. I tried to give her feedback because honestly उसका काम बहुत अच्छा था. I didn't know how to give feedback to that, but I gave her my feedback. And then we stayed in touch. And then I had a project. Then she had a project. So एक चीज से दूसरी, दूसरी से चौथी, तीसरी से चौथी होती गई, and we sort of became friends. Now we've come to a point wherein she has become my default planner partner in every project that I do. Each project that I pick, I first go to Pavitra and say कि bro ये है, करना है क्या तेरे को? And for each project, Pavitra tells me her price that she wants to charge. Often it is more than what I am charging the client, and I obviously tell Pavitra कि भाई ये तो ज्यादा है. Often she will say कि मेरे को ये करने के लिए 5 दिन लगेंगे, and the client has given me 2 days, and I tell Pavitra कि ज्यादा है. So each conversation is extremely transactional, and yet Pavitra ensures that she makes an exception to work for me and ensures that she delivers on time, actually before time, and in the quality that I expect Pavitra to deliver. And she's doing it not because मैं उसको extra पैसे दे रहा हूँ, not because उसको मैं डांट रहा हूँ. It's only because I've been able to build that relationship with her that has ensured that she wants to put that extra effort for me. Obviously, she'll put extra effort for all the clients, but I have that edge. Today, if she's got 3 clients that she's working on, it is very easy for me to tell Pavitra कि bro, please यार मेरे ना 3 को तू deprioritize कर दे, उसको पहले वाले को ऊपर ले आ. And I put in extra effort to know Pavitra. Like for example, okay, I'll give you a tip, side note. AK, you can ask me this question later on. How do you become a people person? I'll give you that tip. Here is a small tip. How do you become a people person? For each individual that you meet, you need to create an inside joke that is between just you and that person. Pavitra, mera joke hai. Pavitra just bought a new car, and my joke with her is that I don't know how to drive, and I will take your car for a spin in Bangalore roads. And she's very touchy about her car, so that's become a joke. Each time I talk to her, I say, Pavitra, तेरी गाड़ी का test drive चाहिए मेरे को यार. So she gets obviously riled and she laughs and she smiles. And I'm sure हर एक के साथ मतलब AK and Ria, you can probably imagine with the two of you, I would probably have multiple jokes, and these jokes would be very, very insider. Like the joke that I crack with AK, Ria will not understand, and the joke I crack with Ria, AK will not understand. AK may understand because she's a psychopath, but most other people will not understand the joke. वो जो मक्खी उड़ रही है AK के बाहर, उसका मुझे पता है कैसा torture होके मरेगी वो मक्खी. So coming back, so that's one tip, by the way, कि you have inside jokes with those people. Coming back, so this is what. This is what I say, that we are in the people business because people help me create magic faster, better, cheaper, more efficient, with more surety. Like for me, the important bit is not कि मेरे को priority मिल रही है. Important bit is मेरे को surety मिल रही है कि वो काम होगा. Like when we decided that we'll do this podcast at 6 a.m., I knew that Ria will show up at 6 a.m. मतलब वो podcast का outcome कचरा हो सकता है, podcast का outcome non impactful हो सकता है, but Ria will be there to ask me those questions and poke holes into my thinking. Same thing for Anshika. If I write something and give to Anshika, I know कि वो blindly accept नहीं करेगी उसको. She will go do her homework, ask me those questions that will probably make my thinking sharper, and then get back to me. So the point is that if you are in the people business, you have higher odds and probabilities and sureties of getting things done and creating magic. And that is where my largest sense is. So this is a small example of how we are in the people business. Now let me segue into a larger example of how people make things happen. Okay, I was reading a report or document yesterday on, I think Ken था, पता नहीं कहाँ पढ़ रहा था मैं, and they were talking about how Jio Hotstar is now trying to get into short form content. So essentially the thesis was कि एक तरफ तो हमारे long form content pieces हैं जिसमें मतलब पूरी series and all of that bullshit है, और एक तरफ 1 minute के TikTok kind of versions हैं. Now Jio Hotstar has no offering in the TikTok space, so they're trying to figure out how do they get into that space, and they are saying that instead of relying on to individual content creators, they would go to established ones. Like for example, उसमें report में मेरे को नाम याद है Elvish Yadav. I don't know why they would do Elvish Yadav because उसका content मुझे cringe लगता है, but there are a lot of followers of Elvish that obviously he's got a big following. So they've done Elvish Yadav and I think Kusha Kapila kind of people to create content for them. Now how are they doing it? Obviously they have the muscle of Reliance Jio कि हम कर सकते हैं, but to do this they've hired three people. One is Uday Shankar, the guy who literally created Star as a behemoth in India. Now he is somebody who knows everybody. He can open doors like that. So Reliance hired the right person. In fact, that's a Reliance policy to hire the absolute best people. So I don't know how many of you know, but Reliance का जो financial foray है, it is being led by a guy called KV Kamath. KV Kamath is the guy who created ICICI Bank. So imagine, for each thing they do, they identify the absolute beast of that industry and say कि चलो बेटा तुम ये करो. Now imagine a KV Kamath calling any junior banker and saying कि मुझे आपसे ये ज्ञान चाहिए. Which junior banker will say no to KV Kamath? Uday Shankar calling any media person, no media person will say no to Uday Shankar, not because they're scared of him, but because of the fact that he A is respected, B he's probably done a lot in the careers of other people. He's helped other people. So that's the first hire they made, Uday Shankar. The other two hires they made, I forget the name of those individuals. One is from Meta, Instagram ka head of content ya kuch tha, and one is from YouTube. Again, very senior person at YouTube. Now imagine between Instagram and YouTube, they know the entire world. Those people will, and both of them were in the US, and both of them they were called back to India. Obviously, Reliance threw a lot of money at them, and all of that would have happened. But look at the ability of them to make things happen like that. I can give an example from what I'm doing right now. So I'm trying to build a startup called Meru with a couple of friends, and Meru mein the chief इंस्टिगेटर और द मतलब जिसका पूरा आइडिया है, जिसका पूरा ये रहता है, he is a 61-year-old man. And मेरू के लिए ना, because of the fact that he was in the people business, he could call absolute beasts and say कि मैं मेरू कर रहा हूँ, क्या तुम इसमें आओगे? And people were dying like literally like एक दूसरे को पीछे खींच के बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ मेरे को आना है, मेरे को आना है, मेरे को आना है. And only because, not because Meru is a big opportunity, not because Meru will be an impactful business, but because they are saying that if Harish has called me, how do I not come for that? So Ria, coming back, look at look at Ria, Astha for example. अब तू आस्था के लिए काम करती है, तू I don't know why you work for Astha, but I'll tell you why I work for Astha. नहीं करती मतलब whatever, I'll tell you why I work for Astha. Astha is that one person that I see has more hunger for success than I do. And I am, just by that act, I'm invested into her life. And Astha has been able to nurture me. I'm a very, very tough individual to work with. And she's a people person. She's nurtured me. She exactly knows what lever to press for a Saurabh to ensure that Saurabh is a cheerleader. And that is a brilliant thing that Astha has done. So today, I may not take any money from Astha. I may not do anything with her in terms of a transaction, but I remain a cheerleader and I try to find great things to do with her. So Astha is a great example of how she's built a people first business. Harish sir is a great example of a people first business. I am a great example of how people first business gets built. And then what also happens is, if you're in the people business, these relationships compound. So आज Ria, I know you for, I don't know, 3 years, I don't know how many years, 2 years, whatever number of years. AK, I know you for like 3 years. Today, AK and I, sorry?
No, I was saying 2 years. Yeah.
2 years. So it is extremely easy for me to assume कि AK से काम मुझे ये करवाना है तो ये करना पड़ेगा. She's not, I mean, she may be unpredictable to the world, but I exactly know what will move the needle for AK, and same for Ria, and same for all the people that I've worked for long time. So essentially what happens is that if you are in that business wherein you are able to know what will tick people, what will inspire them, what will make them want to work with you, apart from money, that is okay. That allows you to do a lot of work. So that is where I keep saying that we are all in the people business, and we better um, work hard to become better people. Wow, people. So that's my 30-minute answer to why do I think people should be in the people business. Ask me follow-up questions.
Because of people business. How do you build a people business? How do you be a people also?
People
Okay.
person technically.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like one of my questions was also same that one way is to, like you mentioned, connecting, building a relationship or inside jokes, etc. But you might be meeting like 10, 20 people, let's say. So out of all those, you might not be able to build a like
Yeah.
relationship with everybody. So what are some few things or metrics or whatever parameters that are needed for you to successfully be a people person with them and also ensure that that relationship continues?
ठीक है. So um okay, let me respond to this in a different manner. Let me talk of relationship. So you meet 20 boys and you want to say यार 20 में से ना ये 3 लोग बढ़िया लग रहे हैं, let me see इनके साथ क्या बनता है. Actually ऐसा नहीं होता, sorry, that's how I think, but young people don't think like that. Young people are about sparks कि अरे ये लड़का बहुत cool है, चाहे 1000 की भीड़ हो, वो लड़का cool लग रहा है, and then you will want to make a conversation with that boy. Correct? Am I correct on that?
Yeah, most
मैं
most of the
मैं
times, yes.
मैं उल्टा हूँ. मैं आई एम फ्रॉम जॉन नैश स्कूल ऑफ डेटिंग कि क्लब में 20 लड़कियां हैं, 20 में से 3 ठीक लग रही है, इन 3 में से एक को पकड़ते हैं. Odds of getting a date is higher. That's why I'm single
Right.
also, FII. So that's why that explains why I'm single. Coming back. So let's say hypothetically there is this hypothetical woman called Priyanka Chopra. Hypothetical, no relationship to anybody, dead or alive. And here I am Saurav and I am enamored by Priyanka Chopra and I want to like marry her and be with her and la 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 all of that. Now somehow destiny बोल effort बोल जुगाड़ बोल I get a date with Priyanka Chopra. Let's say plausible है ना, क्या मुश्किल है डेट लेना. मैं गया डेट पे एंड आई रियलाइज इन द थर्ड मिनट कि वो इतनी कूल नहीं है, शी इज जस्ट अ सुंदर थिंग एंड शी इज नॉट कूल. नाउ व्हाट
ये
हैपेंस
नहीं
टू मी?
वो औरत है, इंसान है.
Sundar
अरे
Nari.
व्हाटएवर, सुंदर नारी है. तो मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? स्पेकुलेट करो. टेल मी व्हाट यू थिंक इज हैपनिंग इन माय हेड.
You do want to get out of it?
हाँ मतलब
Are you a bit disappointed?
But maybe what if you continue talking to her and see कि okay कुछ तो कहीं
करेक्ट
से I can maybe make
करेक्ट
something out of it, out of the
करेक्ट
date. मतलब
करेक्ट.
आ गया हूँ तो कुछ तो करके जा सकते हैं, like बातचीत,
कुछ तो करके जा सकते
connection.
हैं, कुछ तो करके जा सकते हैं. रिया सुबह सुबह नोटी
मतलब
करेगी.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा, you never know.
मैं
सुंदर
भी तो
नारी.
सौरभ हूँ, मैं भी तो सुंदर हूँ.
See.
हाँ,
बट
right.
हाइपोथेटिकल है ना, हाउ डू नो सुंदर है वो? हाइपोथेटिकल है. अच्छा
हाँ
एनीवेज.
मतलब
सो
कुछ तो कर सकते हैं.
yeah, so you have 6-7 plausible path from here.
Hmm.
Path 1, get out of the date. Path 2, चलो कुछ तो कर सकते हैं. Path 3, let me know more. Path 4, maybe I'm wrong. Multiple paths, right? Cool.
Got
Correct.
it.
कोई doubt है
Yeah.
इसमें?
नहीं.
Now all the what path I walk on will depend on factors. Factors could be कि मेरा mood कैसा है. मतलब it will be a different thing, right? मतलब मेरा mood कैसा है, वहाँ पे मौसम कैसा है, blah blah blah, etc. And let's say I meet the next Priyanka Chopra after 10 days. Now the same thing may happen, and this time the path that I choose could be different. कि अरे मैं 6 दिन से लड़कियों से मिल रहा हूँ, कोई डेट नहीं मिल रही, जैसी मिल रही ले लो. That may happen. Example दे रहा हूँ मैं आपको. Now why I use dating, because most young people understand dating examples like that. If I give them complex examples with dating, उनको ना ऐसे चमकता है, अरे हाँ ठीक ही बोल रहा है, तो ऐसी ये तो हुआ होगा मेरे साथ. तो coming back, now change this to from a date and hypothetical Priyanka Chopra to a Anshika Kushwaha and Saurabh Garg. It's not a date anymore. It's a interview. So first time I met Anshika, बिल्कुल first time in life I met Anshika. We met at a Taco Bell. पता नहीं कहाँ मिले थे, कुछ तो था. some place. Now imagine I met Anshika and this is an interview of sorts wherein I am trying to figure out if I want to be with Anshika or not. And Anshika is thinking कि मैंने बहुत सारी internships करी हैं, internship सारी चूतिया ही होती हैं. Will this be yet another चूतिया internship? I need to figure out. So दोनों लोग evaluate कर रहे हैं, right? Even प्रियंका चोपड़ा तो मेरे को देख के बोल रही है ना कि ये क्या आ गया मेरे सामने, मेरे को तो बाल चाहिए थे, गंजा आदमी आ गया. तो so Anshika and Saurabh are looking at each other and trying to evaluate each other from multiple lenses. जो decision path मेरा है, पांच छह paths है मेरे, same पांच छह paths Anshika के हैं. And it's a rare thing when उसका path और मेरा path intersect करता है. वो जो image है ना, वो वाली man and holy god की meeting की image है. So now that happens, right? Right बोल दिया मैंने. तो अब जब ये हो गया, तो अब इसमें ना दो चीजें सोचने वाली हैं. चीज नंबर एक कि ये होगा कैसे, करना कैसे है. मेरे को तो प्रियंका चोपड़ा चाहिए ही चाहिए. How do I ensure that my path leads to Priyanka Chopra's companionship, and how do I ensure Priyanka's path also leads to my companionship? I need to impact two things here. Do you get this? I need to impact my thinking, and I need to manipulate her thinking. Do you understand this? Do you understand the two tasks that I have in front of me?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, yeah. And once I get to this, the third task, let's say वो relationship हो गया, the third task is to keep the relationship strong. मतलब एक बार तो दोस्ती कर ली, मतलब वही तुम्हारी लैंग्वेज में वन नाइट स्टैंड इज ओके, बट हाउ डू आई इंश्योर दैट आई गेट टू डू वन नाइट स्टैंड फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ माय लाइफ विद दैट वुमन. दैट्स द वे टू पुट इट, राइट? मतलब दैट्स व्हाट यू कॉल रिलेशनशिप. मतलब एसेंशियली वही होता है. तो कमिंग बैक, तो रिया का माइंड ब्लोन, बट इट इज एग्जैक्टली दैट ओनली, नो रिया. सो कमिंग बैक, हाउ डू आई get to know Anshika in a way that I know that she will make a great colleague, great people next to me for the rest of my life, and Anshika is thinking the same. And once I get to it, how do I invest into Anshika's life to become better so that our relationship is stronger? Cool. So तीन सवाल हो गए हमारे पास. Cool. So I've broken your people problem into three questions. Am I correct? A, how do I think? How do I make other people think? And once I've thought, how do I sustain it? Cool. Doubt है कोई इसमें? ठीक है. द थर्ड इज द इजीएस्ट वन, आई विल टेक दैट फर्स्ट. उसका एक ही आंसर है, मतलब एक आंसर नहीं है, मतलब बुलेट पॉइंट आंसर है उसके. चीज नंबर वन, ओवर कम्युनिकेशन. वंस यू आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप, एंड दिस यू कैन रिफ्लेक्ट इनटू एवरी रिलेशनशिप दैट यू हैव. रिया, यू विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, एके यू विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, मी विद माय फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, कॉलीग्स. मतलब रिफ्लेक्ट इनटू, ओके, व्हाट आई थॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट. आई वांट द टू ऑफ यू एंड whoever is listening to think of one relationship that you want to extend for rest of your life. It could be friend, colleague, date, parent, whatever you want to call it. Let's keep, you have that person in your head right now. You have a person in that, and I hope the ones on the internet have a person in the head. If anybody else is thinking of Priyanka Chopra, come talk to me. I only can think about Priyanka Chopra. Hypothetical Priyanka Chopra, bro. Okay. Now this is where the magic starts. So now तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो इंसान है. Let me do thought experiment. मेरे पास प्रियंका चोपड़ा ही है मेरे दिमाग में, जिसको मुझे लॉन्ग टर्म रखना है अपने साथ. Now I would over invest my time, effort, energy into learning what does Priyanka Chopra like. Let's say Priyanka Chopra likes sushi. I don't know if he likes sushi or not. तुम्हारे केस में whatever you're thinking about, think of that person and write 5 things that person like. Like for example, if it was Anshika, I would say sunflowers, argument's sake. If it's Riya, I would say beatboxing. I'm just making it up, right? Making up, you actually like these things. Now, can I make a mental model that each time I see a sunflower, for fuck's sake, I will send a picture to Anshika and say, hey, saw a sunflower. What do you think? Each time I see a beatboxing video, can I send it to Riya and say, that's what I found? Each time I go to sushi place, I can send a picture to Priyanka and say, bro, ye dekh kya hai? What does it do is, it tells the other person कि तुम उसके बारे में सोच रहे हो. एंड तुम सोच भी रहे हो बिकॉज तुमने अपने दिमाग को ट्रेन कर लिया है कि सनफ्लावर इज इक्वल टू अंशिका एंड बीट बॉक्सिंग इज इक्वल टू रिया. सो दैट इज 1. 2, ओवर कम्युनिकेट. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ द टू ऑफ यू हैव अ डिसएग्रीमेंट ओवर एनीथिंग, whoever you want to be with, you and your friend that you're thinking about, if you have a disagreement, rough conversation, weird conversation, go and talk to them. मतलब and do it ASAP. मतलब like don't pick beef for 15 days. In the 15th second of you realizing कि ये तो चुतियापा हो गया, चोद हो गई है, go to them and say, यार देख, I think वो ना कुछ हो गया है, let's sort it. क्योंकि इन चीजों को जितना जल्दी सॉर्ट करोगे उतना तुम्हारा स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप बनेगा. So second is, each time you pick beef with somebody, वो अगले दिन अगले दिन भी नहीं, वो उस रात को सोने से पहले सॉल्व कर दो. इनफैक्ट मेरा एक दोस्त है अनुभव करके, आई वांट टू क्रेडिट हिम. ही टोल्ड मी दैट ही एंड हिज वाइफ हैव दिस अग्रीमेंट दैट दे मे फाइट whatever, बट रात को वो फाइट सुलटा के सोएंगे. दे नेवर स्लेप्ट अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर इफ देर इन द सेम हाउस, इवन इफ दे आर, it's a very very large disagreement, they've fixed the core and then they come to the solution that very night. That's a brilliant recipe for keeping uh, relationships strong longer, per se. So that's the second thing. uh, uh, Over communicate. Third thing, अपनी ईगो को शायद बंद कर दो. सो व्हाट दैट मींस इज कि अगर मान लो किसी ने कुछ किया, मतलब प्रियंका ने, ओके मेरे को सुशी पसंद नहीं है, प्रियंका को पसंद है, एंड प्रियंका से मेरे को आई वांट टू हैव द बेस्ट नाइट आउट. नाउ आई वांट टू बी एबल टू गो टू प्रियंका एंड से ओके ठीक है, मेरे को सुशी पसंद नहीं है, बट बिकॉज तेरे को आज बेस्ट नाइट आउट चाहिए, लेट्स डू सुशी एंड टुमारो आई मे डू व्हाटएवर एल्स आई मे वांट. So what it means is that while in a relationship you don't want to bend over backwards for somebody, you want to be equal, you want to be taking care of each of you, तुम दोनों को मिलके काम करना है. बट थिंक ऑफ इट एज उस एक इंस्टेंट पे तुमने सुशी खा ली तो तुम छोटे नहीं हो जाओगे, बट उसके लिए वो इंस्टेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो यू विल हैव अ टाइम व्हेन यू विल वांट टू ईट चाइनीज एंड शी विल हैव टू से कि अरे सुशी नहीं खानी थी, चाइनीज खाते हैं. बट दैट्स हाउ यू बिल्ड दैट रिलेशनशिप. फोर्थ, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, कोहेरेंस. what you speak about them, what you think about them, what you feel about them has to be same. So you have to have uh, okay, Priyanka के example लेता हूँ. If I really love her as a person, I respect her. But if I really treat her only as an object, I need to be communicative about that कि bro तू तो मेरे साथ long term नहीं चल पाएगी, अपन तो सिर्फ इस temporary ephemeral pleasure के लिए एक साथ है. I know it is tough to do when you don't want to do long term conversations, but do these conversations with everybody that you want to spend time with. You tell them कि bro मैं तू मेरी लाइफ में ये इंपॉर्टेंट सकता है, and I will do whatever it takes to earn that thing from you. And the last thing, become little playful. What that means is that, like I said, I have one inside joke with every individual. Playfulness is super important. Like for example, I was with Anshika at the beach yesterday. I know Anshika gets bothered as fuck when her feet are dirty, but मैंने कल रात को उसके पैर पे बहुत सारी मिट्टी गिराई है for random, मतलब no joy, and I was talking to somebody else. किसी से फोन बात कर रहा हूँ, किसी और से कुछ बात कर रहा हूँ, उसके पैर पे मिट्टी गिरा रहा हूँ मैं. And for what joy? No joy. I know Anshika will snap at me. I know Anshika would be like, "What the fuck is wrong with you?" But okay, that's okay. I'm that. But I did it because she was in an okay mood. If she was in a like a lousy mood, I would not do it because then I'll get slapped on the beach also. So it helps कि रात थी और मैं काला हूँ तो किसी को दिखेगा नहीं. But I will get slapped also. So ये मेरे 4-5 तरीके हैं. This is not a comprehensive list. I can think of more things when I think about it. Maybe I'll write a blog post on it. But this is what you do to keep the relationship going with people. And at no point in time, don't construe this as being manipulative. Don't construe this as being not living life as per your life design. मतलब for example, कुछ लोग दिल से खुश होते हैं, कुछ लोग दिल से सैड होते हैं. मतलब उनका बेसिक प्रकृति इज सैड. किसी का प्रकृति अच्छा होता है, किसी का नेचर ही ऐसा बना होता है कि वो हर लाइक होता है ना. कुछ लोग पेसिमिस्ट होते हैं, कुछ लोग ऑप्टिमिस्ट होते हैं. लाइक आई एम एन एटर्नल ऑप्टिमिस्ट. मुझे लगता है कि सब ठीक ही होगा. बट देयर आर सम पीपल हु आर रियलिस्ट. दे विल से ठीक भी हो सकता है, खराब भी हो सकता है, बट काम करते हैं. सो यू डोंट नीड टू चेंज who the core, the word I was looking for is the core. You don't want to change the core of who you are, but if you can ladder these few things that I've told you on the core, probably it becomes a little better uh, 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 relationship management conversation. And you do this with only select people, not with everybody, because again it takes a lot of mental effort to manage those things. So ये third question clear है, easy था ये, clear है ये? Cool. Okay. Now coming to the first two questions, I'm also doing a time check. It's 6:45. AK have to go at 7, so 15 minutes. So I'll record हो रहा है ना? I'm recording. Okay. Riya, you are not recording. Okay. So if this recording goes, it goes. Okay, fine. कोई बात नहीं. We shall live. Nobody will know about my love for this hypothetical woman called Priyanka Chopra. Side note, मेरे एक दोस्त की वाइफ का नाम है प्रियंका गांधी. Like legitimately उसका नाम प्रियंका गांधी है. तो एक बार हम जा रहे थे
Wow.
एक बार हम गोवा जा रहे थे और हमारे पास 8 लोगों का नाम सेम पीएनआर पे था और हम लेट हो रहे थे. तो मिस्टर गर्ग ने वही किया जो मिस्टर गर्ग को करना चाहिए था. He goes to the security guard, cuts the line and says, अरे यार हमारी फ्लाइट है, द गाइज लाइक नहीं नहीं आप कैसे जा सकते हो, मैंने कहा आप नाम देखो पैसेंजर्स के एंड देन
प्रियंका
magically
गांधी
doors
हमारे साथ।
magically the doors opened. But he didn't even ask कि ये real है कि fake है, but just the name worked. Anyhow, I wish more people had names like Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and all of that. Anyways, coming back. So the first question. So first two questions. Question number one, कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में जो मल्टीपल पाथ्स ओपन अप होते हैं उनके लिए तुम क्या कर सकते हो, एंड सेकंड, हाउ डू यू इंश्योर दैट अदर पीपल आल्सो रेसिप्रोकेट. द फर्स्ट वन इज थोड़ा टफ वन. सो क्या होता है, व्हेन यू मीट पीपल फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम यू डू नॉट नो कि उस इंसान की तुम्हारी लाइफ में क्या अहमियत होने वाली है. लाइक व्हेन आई मेट अंशिका, आई वाज मीटिंग अंशिका इज येट अनदर कॉलेज किड हु इज लाउड एंड हु इज ऑन द इंटरनेट, कुछ तो बकवास करती रहती है, लेट मी सी व्हाट शी डज. सो व्हेन आई मीट हर, सो द फर्स्ट आंसर इज गो विद एन ओपन माइंड. व्हेन आई से ओपन माइंड, डोंट गो विद अ प्री कंसीव नोशन कि मेरे को ये इससे मिलेगा. And like for example, Priyanka Chopra का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. When I go for a date with her, I don't want to go to the date with the jitters कि अरे मेरे को इसको अपने घर लेके आना है, या मुझे इसके घर जाना है, या मुझे इसके साथ सोना है, या मुझे उसके साथ दोस्ती करनी है. I don't want to go there. I want to go there to enjoy that conversation. So every new individual that you meet, you go with the curiosity of meeting a new person. Don't attach a utility to it. Don't make that person an object. So it could be a business meeting. Like for example, I have a business meeting at 10 a.m. today, wherein I'm hoping to hire that person. Now there is a clear agenda that I have from that person. कि मुझे तेरे को hire करना है. I want to negotiate terms. But before the agenda comes in, I want to ensure कि वो इंसान जो है ना, let me connect to that individual at an इंसान level. And how do I do that? I'm curious about that person's life. I want to look at him. I want to look at that person and say कि अच्छा तूने क्या कपड़े पहने हैं, क्या ब्रांड यूज कर रहा है. So this is the second leg of the answer. Leg one, go as a curious individual. Leg two, build a large repertoire of things that you know. Like for example, I'm saying that this is a March that I'm wearing. Now, if I see somebody else talking about a March tee, what does it tell me about that person? कि वो थोड़ा टेस्टफुल होगा, थोड़ा पैसे खर्च करता होगा, थोड़ा कॉन्शियस होगा वो क्या कर रहा है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. इफ आई सी समबडी वेयरिंग एयरपॉड्स प्रो मैक्स, वो क्या बोलेगा, मेरे को क्या समझ में आएगा, शायद वो अमीर बाप की बेटी है, शायद उसको स्टेटमेंट बनाना पसंद है. I don't know. These are the things I think of, right? So each thing will show me. If you see the ukulele at the back, you will say, शायद मैं बजाता हूँ, नहीं बजाता हूँ. For the world, I don't play the ukulele, but ये रखा हुआ है मैंने. But you start building a repertoire कि इस इंसान को ये सारी चीजें पता होंगी, मतलब तुम्हें पता है. एंड व्हेन यू सी द अदर पर्सन टॉकिंग अबाउट दोस, यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग मेंटल मॉडल्स एंड स्टार्ट स्पॉटिंग देम कि इसको कहाँ रखना है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन आई मेट अंशिका फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, अंशिका ने मेरे को बोला स्टॉप यूजिंग स्ट्रॉज. And that homework I had done with her. She used to run a page called something Green Flag at that point in time. So I knew that she has something to do with nature, environment, all of that. But I did not know कि वो कितना strong है. So when she said straw use मत करो, it fortified a few things in me कि वो जो बोल रही है वो प्रैक्टिस भी कर रही है, मतलब वो पेज चला रही है, बट मेरे को भी बोल रही है स्ट्रॉ यूज करो. सेकंड, आई रियलाइज कि दिस कुड बिकम अ जोक बिटवीन मी एंड अंशिका कि मैं तो स्ट्रॉ यूज ही करूंगा क्योंकि उसके लिए वो इंपॉर्टेंट है, मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. सो आई एम thinking of those things, and I went as a curious person, right? I didn't go as a person कि मेरे को अंशिका को हायर ही करना है कि नहीं करना है. तो वो straw became a joke for me. So with Priyanka Chopra, if I see that she's wearing a Louis Vuitton a bag or something, I will know कि ये तो बहुत अमीर है, मेरे औकात से बाहर है, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं बात नहीं कर रहा इससे. मतलब you know that's a recipe of disaster, right? क्यों करूंगा मैं. तो that, so second thing is that you try to slot that person into archetypes in your head. So you make some archetypes. मतलब मेरे दिमाग में archetypes हैं. I often talk about those concentric circles theory that I learned from Sheldon Cooper. But मेरे दिमाग में वो archetypes हैं कि ये इंसान मेरे इस चक्के में, इस slot में fit हो जाएगा. And I could be wrong tomorrow. I may not be able to fit that person in that eventually, but that चक्का में fit हो जाएगा, and that is my second thing to do with that person. Third thing, सबसे important, तुम्हारा वैल्यू सिस्टम कितना मैच करता है उस इंसान के साथ, या कितना कॉन्फ्लिक्ट करता है. जैसे मेरे बहुत सारे क्लियर वैल्यूज हैं कि काइंडनेस है, ऑनेस्टी है, ह्यूमिलिटी है, थोड़ा सा अंडर सेलिंग है, व्हाटएवर. मतलब जो मेरे पास 7-8 वैल्यू सिस्टम है, मैंने वो बहुत क्लियरली बनाया हुआ है. और इट हैज कम टू नाउ अ पॉइंट वेयर आई कैन लुक एट समबडी एंड इन 30 सेकंड्स आई नो कि मेरे और इसके वैल्यूज कितने मैच करेंगे, कितने नहीं करेंगे. बहुत ही सिंपल है ये, बहुत ही सिंपल मैथ है मेरे लिए ये. And we can do a pop quiz. You can throw a name at me and I can tell you kitna. I'll give an example. We can cut this out. I met that girl, Ria, that LSR girl that you introduced to me to. Disha नहीं, Diksha, जो भी नाम था उसका.
दिशा.
I met her. Very very average in terms of the work she's done. Very very average in the way she is. But उसका value system like super match करता है. मतलब she is somebody that I would like to be around only for the value system. And that's what I think I told her and told you and told Brishti to do. And now once I know that value system match kar raha hai, then we'll see if we can groom her into becoming a better human being, better worker or not. I don't know the answer, but value system is a very very important metric for me to look at. ठीक है, that's a third or fourth, I don't know what number index is this, but कुछ तो है, third है, fourth जो भी है. So that's the third thing. Now इसका मतलब क्या है, तुम्हारे पास वैल्यू सिस्टम होना चाहिए. So as a young person you may not have a value system today, but go and make a value system. If you want to make your value system and you want my help, I'm happy to do that. In the comments write the secret code for this video. I'll tell you what the secret code is. I'll forget. AK, write this code somewhere. 7HQ264539. That's the secret code for this video. There's a secret code for the video. Okay.
Oh, I thought you like did something with 34370.
No, मेरे डेस्कटॉप पे पड़ा है. एक ये रात का साइपेंड है वैसे. If you meet me today. So
Okay.
so anybody who wants help in terms of making the value system, I'm happy to talk to them and give them ज्ञान कि कैसे बनेगा. Come tell me this code, write into me with this code, and I'm happy to work with you, and we can build that. ठीक है, that was the fourth thing. Third thing, right? Value system was the third thing, or fourth thing, whatever it is. You can do the math. The next thing, once you know कि तुम्हें क्यूरियस उस इंसान से क्यूरियोसिटी में तुम्हारे को इंसान ठीक लग रहा है, तुमने उस इंसान को कहीं स्लॉट भी कर लिया है, तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है कि वैल्यू सिस्टम मैच भी कर रहा है, सब बढ़िया हो रहा है, सब बढ़िया, सब अच्छा चल रहा है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज ट्राई टू नाउ सी कि तुम उस इंसान की लाइफ में क्या वैल्यू ऐड कर सकते हो. नाउ दिस इज काउंटर इंट्यूटिव. मोस्ट पीपल गो इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप फॉर अ वांट ऑफ अ ट्रांजैक्शन. आई एम गोइंग टू मीट प्रियंका चोपड़ा so that I can sleep with her. But that's my one-sided demand from Priyanka Chopra. Did I think that will I give her the pleasure that she wants? Did I think she will enjoy my company beyond the bed? Right? That. So ये सोचो कि तुम उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हो. अगर तुम्हें समझ में आता है कि तुम उसकी लाइफ में टैंजिबल वैल्यू ऐड कर सकते हो तो उसमें और इन्वेस्ट करो. नहीं तो उसको बोल दो कि देख ब्रो, तू बढ़िया है, मैं बढ़िया हूँ, और लेकिन हम शायद आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जो तुम जिस भी इंसान की बात तुम सोच रहे हो अपने दिमाग में, जो मैंने बोला था प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में, तुम सोचो उसके लिए तुम उसकी लाइफ में क्या वैल्यू ऐड कर रहे हो, या वो तुम्हारी लाइफ में क्या वैल्यू ऐड कर रहा है. एंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट अ ट्रांजैक्शन, इट्स नॉट अबाउट अ क्विड प्रो क्वो और व्हाटएवर दैट इज कॉल्ड. इट्स नॉट अबाउट मतलब exchange, but it is about you being genuinely interested in that person's well-being. Well-being could mean financial life, could mean spiritual life, could mean friends, could mean whatever. If you're not genuinely interested in a human being, don't even try to fake it, because then it becomes a problem in the later stages. ठीक है. And last चीज in this answer in my head is, तुम्हारा vibe match हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. मतलब like for example, there is this person that I'm trying to date, literally, like I went on a couple of dates with her. Okay, I will not tell you where I went. And 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 I realized कि वो बहुत बढ़िया इंसान है, बहुत हॉट भी है, बहुत अमीर भी है, सब बढ़िया है, वैल्यू सिस्टम मैच करता है, सब है, लेकिन I don't vibe with her. Simple. And I can, because I'm not taking names, I can tell you the way she treats the wait staff is terrible, which is good for some people. She likes to throw her weight around, and I don't like the idea of doing that to people. I want to be, and it's not a value, by the way. It's a different. She's super humble. She's super polite. She's super nice, but she wants her way in a polite manner. So that's not my vibe. I will not do that. Vibe नहीं हो रहा उसके साथ मेरा. Similarly, if like AK nahi. I'll give an example. I'll not take names again. There is this girl that I want to hire for C4E. She lives in Delhi, and I've tried very very hard to hire her. मतलब मैंने ना सब कर लिया उसके लिए. मतलब मैंने उसको, मैं जान नहीं सकता हूँ उसके लिए हायर करने के लिए. बट ईच टाइम आई टेल हर कि मेरे को मिलने आके वो कुछ तो हो जाता है. कभी उसके घर में शादी हो जाती है, कभी उसके एग्जाम हो जाते हैं, कभी वो बीमार हो जाती है, कभी कुछ. मतलब देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट गो रॉन्ग दैट आई रियलाइज कि यार शायद हमारे ग्रह नहीं मिलते हैं, शायद हमारा वाइब नहीं मिलता है. सो लेट्स नॉट इवन ट्राई. So I've not, I've stopped trying to work with that person anymore. So that's the answer to the first question. इस पे कोई डाउट है, कुछ सवाल है?
नहीं, आ गया, सीख लिया.
ठीक है. That reminds me, somebody told that हमारे पॉडकास्ट की आवाजें काफी मोनोटोनस हो जाती हैं. So I need to learn, Riya, how to do अपनी स्किन का ध्यान कैसे रखें. I need to learn that from you.
Yeah.
ठीक है, कमिंग बैक, सो इसमें कोई डाउट है रिया एंड अंशिका? यू सेड नहीं है, बट स्टिल नो डाउट्स. नाउ द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. Okay, here's the thing. I want the two of you to answer the second part of the question. And I'll give you a hint. Flip the roles. When I say flip the roles, imagine जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे उस इंसान से दोस्ती करने के लिए चाहिए. Imagine if I were the one who somebody came to meet, what would they think? How would you make them become a long-term friend, associate with me? Also think from the lens, AK and Ria, both of you have gone through the journey. I have been able to build the two of you into my long-term people. Correct? Right नहीं बोला, correct बोला. So wait, एक या 2 मिनट बचे हैं. You may have to go. So we'll do this thought experiment. I'll do this with Ria, not with you. ठीक है, Ria, over to you. Tell me what is the right answer.
One way can be, if a person comes to you, you would want to think how you can contribute and add value in their life if you want to be in a long term relationship or connection with them. That's one. Second is, you will try to just say, the if you are on the other side, you're trying to know the person, you will also try to know them and what are their values if you want to, build a long term connection. So that will be both ways. Like some things will be very, very common.
क्वेश्चन ये है कि let's say you and I meet for the first time ever. हम कभी मिले ही नहीं आज तक लाइफ में.
Right.
मैं तुझसे मिलने आया और मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि ये लड़की ठीक है, मेरे वैल्यूज तो मैच कर रहा है, कूल भी लड़की है, थोड़ा काम भी करती है, थोड़ा मेरे टाइप की बैकग्राउंड भी है, फैमिली वो ये सेम है. नाउ हाउ डू आई कन्विंस यू टू इन्वेस्ट इनटू मी एज अ लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सन उस कॉन्वर्सेशन में?
Okay.
समझा
So
सवाल? समझा नहीं?
yeah. So you will try to, अगर ये सब match हो गया and all that. So one is, you will try to give me some perks that can be monetary or non-monetary.
Okay.
That perks can be in terms of people, in terms of network, in terms of, okay, think of the long term impact or effect that can happen in my life. So if I see that, okay, is long term impact or etc जो भी चीजें हैं, that can be very fancy, that can be non fancy etc. If I like them, maybe I will be more invested. That can be
ठीक है,
one thing.
मैं बोलता हूँ you are on the right track, but I'll, for the want of, well, I don't want to make this an interview, like a session, but broadly, here's the thing. Remember I said over communicate karo, the third thing I said. I would do the same thing here. I would say, Riya, tu मेरे को समझ में आ गई है, and I want to make this दोस्ती last, and this is what I will actually do with anybody I meet. I like you and I will want to stay in touch with you for the rest of my life. Tell me, what can I do to earn that?
Yeah.
And often,
you ask this directly most of the time.
Yeah. And often this is very, very off-putting to people. मतलब, how do you earn it? How do you tell? मतलब, imagine some random uncle comes to you and says कि मुझे अपने तेरे को अपनी जिंदगी में रखना है. कैसे तू बोलेगी, अरे कौन है ये आदमी, क्या चाहिए इसको, क्यों बात कर रहा है? But because there is a conversation that has happened, because there is a chat that we've had, it becomes easier to make that happen. तो फर्स्ट थिंग आई विल डू इज, आई विल टेल दैट पर्सन कि देख भाई, तू बढ़िया है, मुझे तेरे साथ जिंदगी भर रहने का है, ये बता व्हाट कैन आई डू टू मेक इट जिंदगी भर. नाउ some people will take it positively, some people will take it negatively, some people will react to it, some people will not, but that will be the starting point. Second, if let's say those people say कि अच्छा ठीक है, so that's the first tool that I will use. Second, I will ask that person कि तेरे को जिंदगी में क्या करना है, like what is your long term goal in life. So let's say, Riya, if I asked you तेरा long term goal in life क्या है, you would say शायद entrepreneurship करनी है, शायद MBA करनी है, शायद नौकरी करनी है, whatever, 3-4 बातें बोलेगी. Now if your long term goal and my long term goal are in the same zone, I will tell you कि जैसे तेरे को भी धंधा करना है, मेरे को धंधा करना है, तेरे को खाने का करना है, मेरे को भी खाने का करना है, तो बजाय एक से बड़े दो मिलके करते हैं, अपने अपना अलग धंधा कर सकते हैं. We may be separate businesses, but why not do the journey together? We may create different entities, but the journey could be together. In fact, that was the premise of SOG, that हर एक का journey अलग है. You could do whatever you want to, but the fact is that you will work together is what was important for me. So that is the second thing that I will do to that person. Third thing that I will ये clear है, देखो ये वाला भी clear है कि हम इकट्ठे कैसे जा सकते हैं. Third thing I will want to do is, I will open up and say, and this is again volunteering, I will open up and say कि मेरे को ना ये दो चीजें पसंद नहीं है. I don't like people talking behind my back. I don't like surprises. I don't like disrespect. I don't like la जो भी 5-6 चीजें होगी, मैथ होगा, मुझे नहीं पता क्या होगा. I will talk about those. And then people can choose to react to those or not react to those, whatever उनकी मर्जी है वो, है ना. And I will tell them कि हम long term काम करेंगे तो मेरे को ये चीजें चाहिए. Actually no, wait, scratch this, मतलब because this will come after we agreed to become long term partners, and I'm trying to now build a relationship per se. The third thing is I will try to create a play or work opportunity with that person. मतलब मैं बोलूंगा मिलके ना एक प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं. That project could be a podcast, project could be a client project could be a, a, we go and play chess together for that matter. मतलब हम कुछ एक साथ करते हैं. And often when you do that now, you uncover facets of people that you've never known about. Like for example, अगर मैं जयपुर में तेरे साथ एक दिन घूम रहा हूँ, तो probably in that 2-3 hours of me roaming around with you, you would have uncovered 3 more things about me that you probably never imagined are true. I don't know if you did that or not, but that
Yeah,
allows.
I never thought that you will enjoy walking on streets, or you'll be okay walking in these random streets and
Yeah,
picking those maybe souvenirs or whatever.
so that makes your relationship little more strong with
Hmm.
people. So we'll find those people, find those create those play slash work opportunities. Like for example, at SOG I ensured that all of you together did a project. Like कुछ तो आउटकम निकाला था ना, बैठ के साथ सुन नहीं रहे हो बट मिलके कुछ कर रहे हो.
Right,
वो क्या कर
right.
रहे हो is what is important. So that's the third thing that I will do. What else will I do? I'm thinking who else. Okay, fourth thing, I will show. मतलब वो होता है ना कि पहला कदम मैं बढ़ाऊंगा, तुम दूसरा कदम बढ़ाना. I will show them that I am invested in your life and business. So I will probably try to get them work. I'll probably connect them with more people. I will connect them with more opportunities of the kinds they want to. Like for example, Ria, if I know that you want to do voiceovers, argument's sake, I will connect you to more producers here in Bombay or wherever and say कि ये रिया से बात कर लो, वॉइस ओवर करती है, देख लो तुम्हारे को समझ में आता है कि नहीं आता. And then obviously things can move from there on for me. But what happens is
Right.
that you are able to see that Saurabh is trying to add value into my life, and then you say कि अरे यार आगे से बढ़ के कर रहा है, मैं क्यों नहीं उसके लिए सपोर्ट कर सकती. So ये 3-4 चीजें करेंगे ना, तो I think other people tend to start realizing कि ये अच्छा इंसान है, इससे दोस्ती कर सकते हैं, and we could be in the good people conversation. Let's do that. So that's the third or fourth, whatever number of thing that I told you. But that, and then coming back to zooming out to the large topic, key we are in the people business. Now once you do these 3-4 things, you will be able to attract multiple people around you who will be invested in your success. And वो होता है ना कि गांधी जी बोलते हैं, पता नहीं कौन बोलता है, मैं अकेला चला था, लोग जुड़ते गए, कारवा बनता गया, some shit like that, ऐसी एक लाइन है ना. So वो
Right,
karma
right.
is what carries you. In fact, this is where I will want to टैग द डेरेक सिवर्स का वीडियो, जिसमें वो हाउ टू स्पार्क अ रेवोल्यूशन, हाउ टू स्पार्क अ मूवमेंट वाला वीडियो है. हैव यू सीन दैट वीडियो? अगर उसको पहले 2 लोग नहीं
Hmm.
मिलते तो वो मूवमेंट नहीं बनता, वो पार्टी नहीं होती वहां पे. वो पार्टी सिर्फ इसलिए हो रही है क्योंकि वो एक इंसान इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, दूसरा इंसान मिलना इंपॉर्टेंट है. यू गॉट दिस? एंड दूसरे इंसान के अंदर इन्वेस्ट किया उसने, एंड दैट मेड ऑल द difference in terms of how they started and how they ended. So that is my thesis on each business being people business. Actually मैं business की बात ही नहीं करी, come to think of, but ठीक है. So yeah, ask more questions because I'm done with my spiel.
Got it. Interesting. Joby. So first thought, whenever when you were saying when we meet or whatever we do, I was thinking of the day when I first met you, 17 December, Delhi, CP. It was fun. And now and whenever, matlab after knowing you for a couple of months, then when I reflect back, I can obviously connect the dots and like yes, this ticked off, ye bhi hua, this happened, you did that with me, or mostly most or like probably most of the people that you meet. Follow up question is one, and I think that's the only question. What do you think are the challenges that come when it is this way, or the approach of business or approach of working is this, or business or being in people business? Like major challenges that might not be that obvious in other way of or other organizations.
Okay, a lot of answers to be honest on this. पूरा वो है क्या बोलते हैं, पूरा podcast है ये भी. But
Hmm.
I'll tell you first things. A, it is very very taxing uh, on your emotions. Imagine I invested into Ria and Ria says कि मैं जा रही हूँ छोड़ के तेरे को. What happens to me? I invest into somebody for 5 years, and after 5 years, they tell me, happened to me, right? मतलब मेरे couple of, I had invested in people for super long-term conversations, and those people chose to not work with me after 5 years. Now, obviously, it's taxing. It's like what the f man. मतलब मेरी तो मतलब I was super angry, super sad, super uncool about it for a few days. Obviously, I can chat with those people and say कि यार तुमने क्या कर दिया मेरे साथ, but it doesn't undo what they are doing, right? So I don't want to become that bitch. So it's taxing for sure. That is one. Like argument से कल को आस्था और मेरी लड़ाई हो गई argument से, then what? I will be like mind fuck की fuck मैंने उसके लिए इतना कुछ किया, मतलब मैंने उसको पैसे तक दिए, अपने पैसे दिए उसके बिजनेस को बनाने के लिए, छोटे पैसे हैं नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, बट पैसे दिए, अपना टाइम दिया, अपना रेपुटेशन दिया, अपने बेस्ट पीपल दिए. मतलब देयर वाज अ टाइम रिया फॉर द पॉडकास्ट, देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन रिया हैड टू चूज डूइंग एन अ स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट फॉर आइदर आस्था और फॉर मी, एंड आई सेड रिया मैं तेरे को ऑर्डर दे रहा हूँ. आई थिंक मैंने ऐसे कुछ बोला था कि ये मेरा ऑर्डर है कि तू आस्था का काम करेगी. आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट और नॉट. आई
Yeah.
चोज टू सेंड माई बेस्ट रिसोर्स टू work for somebody else, and tomorrow when she fights with me, if she fights with me, I hope she doesn't, it will be such a sad thing for me कि bro मैंने सब कुछ दिया उसके बाद भी तो लड़ाई कर रही है मुझसे. So that now you obviously take lessons, move on, stumble and move on to the next thing, so that's okay. So that's two. The third thing is all the investment that you make. So okay, I am a believer that कुछ भी चीज बड़ी बनती है ना उसको बनाने में 5 साल 3 साल लगते हैं, 1 साल में नहीं बनती बड़ी चीज कोई. मतलब अनलेस इट्स अ मिरेकल, अनलेस यू आर अ वेरी वेरी यूनिक इंडिविजुअल, वो 1 साल में नहीं बनता. तो बनाने के लिए 3 4 5 साल लगते हैं. नाउ 5 साल के बाद रियलाइज कि तुमने गलत आदमी चूज किया, या तुम भी गलत हो सकते हो. मे बी माई पार्टनर्स रियलाइज दैट सौरभ वाज अ रॉन्ग पर्सन एंड दे इन्वेस्टेड 5 years of their life into building a startup, building a business with me. Now imagine how bad it is. मतलब हमारा टाइम तो लिमिटेड ही है ना. मतलब while there may be longevity and while there may be immortality conversation हो रही होंगी, बट अपना टाइम तो लिमिटेड है, अपनी जवानी लिमिटेड है. मतलब मेरी जवानी लिमिटेड है, तेरी जवानी लिमिटेड है. The best time of my life I spent on working for with somebody that may not give me ROI. So what do I do with that? So that's my other uh, thought on that. So that is that. Um, Apart from that, I think हाँ I think एक और चीज है जो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि once you become emotional about something, you may not be able to do rational decision. Like for example, Ria, if I start loving you as a colleague, मतलब loving you as a like a kid, not in a non creepy manner. If I start loving you and you do something wrong, okay, let's take Chandni example. I am super close to Chandni. I want her to do well and all of that. Now I don't want to go blind in my love and affection and faith on Chandni. Moment I go blind, it's a recipe for disaster. In fact, the entire Mahabharata happened because of putra love, whatever it's called, putra prem, जो भी बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में. Uh,
संतान प्रेम पुत्र प्रेम या
जो भी राइट. तो एंड दिस हैपेंस इन कंपनीज आल्सो. फेवरेटिज्म होता है. लाइक अभी तू एक कंपनी में काम करती है जहाँ पे 1,000 लोग हैं. आई एम श्योर यू विल सी सम बिट ऑफ फेवरेटिज्म. द ओनर, द फाउंडर मे नॉट prevent it, but you will probably see it. At C4 there is favoritism, even though C4 is a 10 people company, and it will be a nature, human nature है. घर में रहता है यार, घर में जिसके 3 4 बच्चे होते हैं, एक बच्चा माँ बाप का फेवरेट हो जाता है for whatever that reason is.
राइट या
So now as a business, that favoritism may not be favorable इन द लॉन्ग रन. शॉर्ट टर्म में ठीक है, लॉन्ग रन में नहीं होता, क्योंकि मान लो मेरा और तेरा रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रांग है, बट देन व्हाट इफ यू आर नॉट वर्किंग. लेट्स से यू टेक मी फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड से अरे सॉरी भी तो है, मैं झूठ बोल दूंगी, निकल जाऊंगी आगे, कर लूंगी मैं. देन दैट बिकम्स अ प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ
So that's a problem in businesses. So we need to be objective when we run businesses there. And when I say that we are in the people business, this is also people management. Like for example, if I see a Chandni slack because of whatever complacency or confidence or overconfidence, it is my job as a people person to go to Chandni and say कि bro, जब तू आई थी तू X थी, आज तू शायद 10x है, बट जो तेरी वैल्यूज थी वो Y थी, आज तेरी वैल्यूज डिग्रेड हो गई हैं. वर्क ऑन योर वैल्यूज. सो इट्स माय जॉब टू गो एंड टेल चांदनी एंड यू एंड अंशिका एंड हुएवर आई मीट कि ब्रो मैंने जिस इंसान से प्यार किया था वो इंसान की वैल्यूज ये थी, आज वो इंसान for whatever reason has become this, and that is not a place that I want to be at in life. So our
गॉट
job
इट
is to also uh, show them the path as people. Like Ria, if you do something wrong, I want to be able to tell you कि bro ये गलत कर रही है तू.
या
समझा? So that's when the real strongest relationships happen, when you are able to tell other people without a fear of repercussions कि इसको मैंने कुछ बोल दिया तो बुरा मान जाएगी, इसको मैंने कुछ बोल दिया तो मेरी बात नहीं सुनेगी, इसको मैंने कुछ बोल दिया तो आउटकम नहीं आएगा. सो वंस यू गेट ओवर दैट, आई थिंक मैजिकल थिंग्स स्टार्ट टू हैपन. सो या, दैट आई थिंक ये 3-4 चीजें हैं.
Understood. Understood. No, got it. I mean, we've covered most of the things. How you connect with them, how you ensure both of the parties are in this on the same page or some values align, and what are the challenges. So I think it's good. Like I understood when I asked you the question. Most of the things are covered, and yeah, that's that.
Cool.
Zoom in, zoom out हो रहा है. Cool effect.
I'm playing with them, playing with the camera, so it tracks my face, I think. Okay, it's not tracking my face.
But
Okay,
yes, you
anyways,
understand. Yeah.
sorry.
No, but I was saying that it's good. I understood. No more follow-ups because most of the things are covered, I guess.
Cool, awesome. I think this is it. Will end. I have to go to Bhiwandi today. So,
Oh,
oh, it's like 3 hours,
nice.
man. सोच रहा हूँ क्यों जाना है. I'm
Yeah.
like, ठीक है. Cool. Thank you, Ria. Thank you for asking the question. I hope you got the answers. Please ask your
Yeah.
follow-up questions, and you can record a nice outro of this podcast.
Should I? Okay.
You could.
Okay.
Devi or
I'll
Sachino.
say.
Devi.
नहीं, I can say that. देखिए सज्जनों, ये था आज का पॉडकास्ट. हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. हम सुबह 6 बजे SG यानी सौरभगढ़ से मिले. सुबह सुबह के 7:15 हो रहे हैं. 1:15 हो चुका है. हमने काफी सारी बातचीत करी. मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा. जो इंटरनेट पे हमारे दर्शक देख रहे हैं, उन्हें भी आशा करती हूँ मैं कि बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. जुड़े रहे हमारे साथ ऑन पॉडकास्ट एडल्टिंग एट C4E.
Adulting Sivori. सही है. Cool. ठीक है. चल.
Cool,
See you
cool.
around. Thank you. Have a
Thank
good day.
you. Bye bye. Bye bye,
Bye.
you
Take care.
too.